number of years, IIM Indore has finally gone ahead and changed its admission criteria to go ahead and help everyone whose academic profile might not be that great. Let's have a look at what the changed criteria looks like. As per the earlier criteria, which was last year, which was through CAT 2024 for admission into 2025 to 2027 batch, the weightage to your class 10 marks was 39%. This year, through CAT 25, for the 26 to 28 batch, the weightage for class 10 has gone down to 10%, from 39 to 10. That means in case आपका क्लास 10 अच्छा नहीं गया था, जो हम लोग हंसी मजाक पे बोलते यार पुराने पाप, पुरानी गलतियां, अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, you still have a chance of getting into one of the top B schools. If we look at it from the perspective of class 12, उसका weightage थोड़ा बड़ा है. From 20% earlier, it's gone up to 25%. तो overall academic profile अगर हम देखें 10 and 12 combined, पहले वो 59% था, अब वो 35 हो गया है. CAT का weightage has gone up. Earlier, the CAT weightage was only 35%, which was broken up into 10, 10, and 15 across VARC, DILR, and Quant respectively. Now that weightage has gone up to 55%, 16, 16 and 23 in the same order. मतलब क्वांट को 23% वेटेज होगा. इसका कैलकुलेशन कैसे होगा मैं आगे जाके बताता हूं. एक और क्राइटेरिया जो लास्ट ईयर भी था, विच वॉज द डाइवर्सिटी फैक्टर, इट वॉज 6% इन वेटेज. दिस ईयर दैट इज 7%. लास्ट ईयर तक वर्क एक्स को कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं मिल रहा था, इस ईयर वर्क एक्स को भी 3% मिल रहा है. सो इफ यू आर वन ऑफ दोज हुज गॉट रफली अराउंड 18 to 24 months of work X, maybe even 28 to 30 months of work X, you have a good chance of getting a call. What does this mean? Last year, in case say I was a female whose 10 and 12 was say roughly 95, 96% and I ended up scoring a 91, 92 percentile in CAT, there is a good chance that I would have gotten a call from IIM Indore. This year, with the weightage to CAT moving from 35 to 55, maybe a 91, 92 might not suffice. I might need to move to a 94 or a 95 percentile. So for the female non-engineers, for the male non-engineers, the percentile requirements might actually go up. Specifically for those people who were banking on the class 10 and 12 results. So in case you're one of those जो सोच रहा था 10 and 12 बहुत अच्छा है, नॉन इंजीनियर हूं, अच्छा होगा मेरे लिए, ज्यादा हाई नहीं चाहिए होगा, थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. वन लास्ट पार्ट, हाउ इज दिस कैलकुलेशन ऑफ 35% एंड 55% डन? वेल, लास्ट ईयर 35% जो कैट वेटेज था, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, वाज 10, 10 एंड 15. सो लेट्स टेक क्वांट फॉर एग्जांपल. उसका 15% कैसे कैलकुलेट होता था? 15 इनटू द स्कोर, दैट इज द मार्क्स, द स्केल्ड स्कोर दैट यू हैव ऑब्टेन्ड इन क्वांट in CAT divided by the highest obtained score in CAT in that particular section, that means in quant. Now this has not been written highest obtained score, लिखा हुआ है highest score, but our understanding basis previous years is highest score तो जो होता है, we know 22 questions तो 66 होगा. I don't think they will go ahead and calculate it basis 66. They will calculate it basis the highest obtained score, and the same thing will continue this year. So I think this is a good move for anybody whose academic profile might not be the best but still feels that yes, I want to go ahead and look at the top B schools. This should actually give you a little bit of motivation a couple of days before CAT, hopefully, you know, forcing you and gearing you up to get that additional couple of percentile to add another top B school in your kitty. All the very best for CAT 25.